Okay.
The earlier you learn to be who you are, the better it will be for you. Man, know thyself. You don't know yourself.
Okay. Hey, okay. What you go do there? What you go do here? Eh? What you go do for here?
Who are you? Who are you?
Answer my question. What you go do for here? They say who are you?
I should answer you. Waiting I go do inside bush. Eh? So if I open mouth now answer you, waiting I enter bush you go do. You go clap for me. Don't you have respect?
Okay, shut up and answer me. What you go do for this place now? What you go do for here?
Don't you have respect for federation?
What?
Don't you have respect? Even if you don't have respect for somebody like me, don't you have respect for this cap I'm wearing?
Hey!
A federal lawyer with the curriculum, can you raise your voice? If I dare raise voice at you at the court of law, you will remain on behind bars.
I don't want to shout, oh. I don't want to shout, oh. What you go do for here now? What you go?
What do your man tell you? I go do something.
Tell me what you go do for there.
Okay.
What's that one here?
I go do confession. Agram dekle Maria. Agram unkuputa. Agram gan no reading so.
Okay.
I went there to do jayama.
Hey!
Agram game obi sheklobi obi out.
I hear me.
This are the play, Abi. Okay, this are the play. Wait, you see my? This are the play, Abi. I go change them for you. No. I go change them. This are the play, Abi. What you go do for here?
I don't just understand what your problem is. You are talking to a barrister with a hyphen. Okay, fine. On my way back from the court, I had a stomach. I had what they call the defecation of interabua.
What?
What they call intercontinental discharge.
Hey!
Shit, madam.
Okay.
Ma wu boy hega wu poga shika bottle hogede. Go there and see what I dropped. All the castle wire cat plan hotel with cool. Is that why you are shouting?
Where you poo?
Where won't I poo?
Where you go poo?
Everybody can, but there's a place that looks like just clean.
Hey! Oh! Iboyala! You saw jogging, man. What can me? Why you go poo there now? Why you go poo there? Why you go poo for that place now? You know they see?
Where for poo? For Church of God. For no, I follow me back at church in Wodiumpu. Can a lot of tanga who surrounded Batoshi. For enter for Queen Elizabeth chamber. Ganga who toshi.
You know, sister, they clear that place. Why you go poo for that place? Where they bury my brother?
Yes!
Hey.
Yes!
This is plain.
My brother. My brother who I love so much. Chief of all the arboros for this auditor.
Yes!
If to say my brother never die, you know where for there now? You know where for there? My brother for don't even in the US. If to say he never die, he has whatever if you don't build and finish. My brother will be say everybody for this area they respect. For this whole artist, they know him now, they respect him. Now you go, they bury him, you go to sit for him. They talk say make.
Chai.
Bless her, they shout too much, Abi. They shout too much.
Wait, oh. Now your brother will die. Where they don't bury Kiagala. Kena Makasanya in the Cambo. I was even thinking, where maybe now there you bury your hard currency.
Yes!
Maybe now there you dig grave, bury your dollar where you carry come from Obodo. Young Gaily Laboro. Kena, only with your brother.
You know who is my brother?
Who is your brother?
You know who my brother be?
That your brother is nobody.
Hey!
For the fact say no bury for compound, and I carry enter bush. That person na nobody. Person where die where they bury inside bush. No be saying a bush say for ordinary can carry more here. Can we lose here gatosa? You know go so you are a grave security.
Are you
your mates there they secure money where they for back.
Hey!
So they secure their estate. You they secure ngeli lo nyi shindaburo. And you expect me to clap for you. When I bamba which I am say ya wa you na mshin ngili le gogo. I'm song ngeli lo nyi na enwe di uru oba. Your brother nkiti. Your brother na baru really anymore.
My brother.
Your brother no baru anything. People will be saying they get sense. How the reasonable. If they want bury them, go to their mansion. Galile mem make up bonko. Bonko nan be say, Asia America Blata. Depend the woman 6 feet at the front of her suffering, her weight, at the front of the fruit of her labor. On they will 6 feet okay, warrior. We block doye, we marble Maya. They are in the memory of our beloved mother. Give another one they go care or meet a hamper body.
Hey!
Those people will be said they are useful. Earlier, a red flower man mother and age in love. in the memory of so person. Your brother won.
Hey, wait.
Call your car.
Wait. You don't talk finish, Abi. I go bury you beside my brother. Hey! I go bury you that. You see that place where you poop? Not that way you die now. Not that way. I know the play. I know because this where my brother died for this assist. Now me take over. Yeah. Everybody they fear me. Everybody they respect you. It can't be you now. Because of this cap, now because of this book, the blue book, I'll be waiting self. Okay, I go bury you here.
So you want to tell me say you be grave attendant? You go bury who?
Okay, I go bury you here. No.
We can go and sit down.
I said I go bury you for
only
here.
my signature. So signature, I'm gonna put him. Cut off floor.
Okay, I go bury you here.
You will not do nothing. Don't. If you touch
that place where you put. Okay, I bet. Just come on this your cap now. Go use and pack that people. Go pack that people now. What's stuff? Okay, come.
Barrister. Okay, what did happen? Why not they shout?
Hey. Which one? They ask me first now. They ask barrister. Which one be barrister? What did happen? Who be barrister?
Are you playing?
What thing happen, my brother? Explain.
Not be here. What just then? I said I can't supervise my brother grave. Yes! I go see this man. Cause they come out from that place. Okay, what you go do? They ask him. You say go. They speak one grammar. Why I don't even understand? You can finish. Cause the time he say you go poo. Get my go the poo for my brother grave. You know who my brother be?
My brother, calm down. No verse. You come supervise your brother grave.
Yes, sir.
You be supervisor of the grave.
Yes.
Hey! Are you playing?
What? That place where you say they bury your brother, is there anything like signboard? When I write any signboard, put there say nobody should onyanyo na onya bagala ma fe nyanyo. And when any song.
Okay, what you they talk, Seth? What you they talk? And they tell you something. They say no notice. Which one be notice? But everybody for this place know now. Everybody who don't know for this area now. For this assist, everybody know now. They tell them say nobody should poo on that small empty space now.
Shouldn't count me as everybody. I am barrister Imo worldwide.
Okay, you don't know my brother. You don't know my brother. I be the chief of Arboros for furniture.
This is
furniture. You know, if to say my brother no die, you know where for there now. You know where for there now. You know what my brother for don't do for, if I don't even get another sector somewhere now. You call the people for engrave. Which kind of thing be this one now?
Barrister no best. What thing happen? Explain. Make you know be say the judge from one person mouth. My brother. Onto my fallopian tube, I had what they call stomach discharge. And everybody know why because stomach. If you eat, you know poo. That means you are not a human being. Hey! On my way back from court, almost 28 young men were set free today through my curriculum. Okay. And I was jubilating coming back because I know on my way back, annual subsection. Hey! In a rural ground, I went there to defecate. Just venture in there and see what I draw. People should use this thing. What? Now him this ragamoga, he just accosted me and began to shout. Hey! My brother no verse. This your brother will be say you dey preserve and protect his grave like this. And all these things where you talk about your brother. How old is he when he dey alive? How old?
My brother. No, 42 now.
Chai!
42 years.
Yes.
Survived by
and I me like this and others with their house now, you no marry, no get picking. Yes.
Chekwo. Onye na barambani le na amodo nwodo do nwan nwedu ihe onwere. I'm sure you no build house kwa makwa ya ka eji bukute anymore. Ki no get wo. Nwure shi hutre ya shi barrister shi ntra hu na school. You kwesiri dey happy that self when you hold alaga. Mbia wuro ogbe shi ha ka no hutre ya si ewure la ammo. Gi bia nga hu anu na ekwu ka ogbo dakwago. So all fulefu onye na baramba. I said it. This is how they go around messing up. I was even thinking not somebody baruru, maybe onye chisaromo, maybe ogunwa.
This is playing.
I'm so waga the job no agavo aburo the chinkoti shiri kweche ba mega so ela here Lieutenant Colonel, Vice President, PA to Dangote, PA to Peter Dochie. You know something very agawani o tentineti wo. I'm so when you shin that
Continue.
now a lot of wine 42 years.
She what?
All the wine. Mother Ganya Sashinelli. Ige will go dash on your Sunday man and Yamago. You not get you. Night and what they go to cross your tail with saga. Did you see what? Did you see your life? Did you see that you are nothing? You have nothing upstairs. You have nothing to offer. You are here shouting. I was even thinking you are shouting for somebody who I said it that only if said that only are the very, very reasonable and useful, he wouldn't have been buried inside the bush. Do you know I can sue you for illegal dumping of refuse?
Hey!
You came here, you drop disease for people that are passing under the road to contact. And I went there to the whole community like this should gather upon his head. Yeah, what is she dead body? A waste rubbish.
This is
a
plain.
waste human being. In fact, this is your brother. All the members of this community. People will be going there now and you say Ashinelu because the question you was onye putrangana.
This is plain.
Then she, your brother is shining on her. She la will you promote from my face before I court martial you? You not taking back again, no, a share no grave protector. Gina go joke to again on a lead. Because you gonna one but he game. Magal Eden careful. You able one that walk a book. No hair caga or such or son of Kanga or such shop.
I hear me.
Barrister Biko, take your leave. I took my own. Nonsense.
Subadia.
Hey!
Anolatana, Echibunta. I will see you again now. No wahala.
Okay.
Young boy, Ali. Who must be going to Bodo Bambo? No, name Hebaru. In Agahujenge, in a protect your brother's grave. Very soon, about drop one side of the grave. Another person will take over and protect you. Come along, Mapia Kwaganya. You want to challenge a whole barrister of law. Barrister with a hyphen and curriculum. Barrister that have set so many continents ablaze.
She what?
With ordinary my signature. Okay, number. Ibra bear with Tremon. Stupid boy. No one damn you don't got Hananis. I only name Abawud. You are not useful, you are not useful. I'm so sick, I'm not getting away.
Jesus!
I didn't got any grandmother need more help. How may I appreciate? And I come back. Come down, nail waste product upon waste product.
Jesus is Lord!
Gambia. If it was in London, they can hear him carry me.
Chai.
Onye ye mo na di ma.